Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering and physically connecting the controller. This is the first actionable step. Plug into a USB port or enable Bluetooth pairing on the controller, and then open Windows Settings Right Arrow Devices or Mac OS Bluetooth to initiate detection. Once done, make sure your PC shows a new device entry. This confirms the hardware handshake. If you use a wireless dongle, insert it first and wait for solid LED. These preparations let the system enumerate the controller so drivers can load. Next, you verify drivers and test inputs to ensure full functionality. Open Device Manager to confirm the controller appears under Human Interface Devices. Update or reinstall drivers if it lists errors. Then, use Windows Game Controller's Dialog or Steam Big Picture's Controller Test to observe button, stick, and trigger responses in real time. Once you see consistent input, map controls in your game or use a wrapper like DS4 Windows for DualShock emulation. These steps explain. Finally, you complete setup by setting the controller as the preferred device and calibrating if the option exists. This locks in correct input scaling. If detection is intermittent, restart your PC and try alternate USB ports or a different cable to rule out power or port issues. Make sure Steam input or similar middleware isn't overriding settings. If problems persist, uninstall the controller in Device Manager, repair it, or test on another computer. This single troubleshooting tip quickly separates hardware faults from software misconfiguration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.